What do you think about it?
I hate, like, you love it.
I want to know, why do you hate AI?
Right, yes, it makes things a lot easier. It can do things that maybe you wouldn't be able to do without it.
Is that why you hate it?
No, I'm giving you like... But I just... Why are we building things to do things that people have spent years creating themselves to be able to do?
I see what you mean from that aspect.
So like people have trained to do things and then like they've spent like maybe like 10 years or whatever building this skill, honing this skill, and then it's like, oh well, he's a robot.
Like I do it better. I see what you mean from that aspect, but the thing about AI is like it's meant to help us. So AI is not supposed to be doing stuff for us, and this is where people make mistakes, this is where people say. For example, I actually received a document from someone, and they were supposed to do a document for me to present this as a job, right? They sent me the document with the AI, and the words were not in English. The words were not in English. It had like words, like like AI words. I don't know if you've seen. So they literally sent that to me right now. I looked at it, I was like, I was pissed about that. And now this is where AI doesn't. This is what we shouldn't be using AI for. We shouldn't let AI think for us. We should be able to use AI to enhance whatever skills we have, make it easier and better. We shouldn't allow it. And I think like where people are literally asking. Have you heard that in the news the other day? They were talking about like people are literally consulting AI and asking ChatGPT about mental health advice.
Right. Okay.
You know,
I haven't seen it, but I have seen like people using it as like a friend, which I think is the same.
So yeah, I don't know if that's a good thing or if it's a bad thing, but again, it's something like it's a love-hate. It's a kind of like a polarized opinion. So the way I see it, but yeah, I mean like Tonisha's pride itself as a company that is like forward-thinking. We use any technology that's out there and can, you know, be implemented into making the company better. We're jumping onto that. But that doesn't mean like we are going to lose our human touch or human side.
I think that's so important about the humanity behind it. And when you're seeing people use it for mental health support, I feel like without actually looking at someone and sort of looking into their eyes and understanding like from body movement, from things like that, you don't actually know what they're feeling. So asking an AI console thing, whatever,
to be able to give you advice.
It's generalising symptoms, it's not putting all of your past trauma, it's not putting all of that into perspective.
And be able to give you the best analysis. So yeah, so this is where it gets so tacky, but I love AI.
I say out there. Like I was driving the other day, and the fact that there's like little robots going around my street and stuff, delivering people's food.
Has that been rolled out?
Yeah, they're driving around Sunday.
For real? I actually had an interview with a company last month. They are looking to roll out AI to be able to deliver bloods from hospital to laboratories, and they were trying to interview me as a nurse as well to see what I think about that. I didn't know they already delivering.
Someone stole one and put it on Facebook Marketplace for £500. A stole little Justine robot was on Facebook Marketplace. I think it was just the fact that they say that's kidnapped a robot. I don't know. Obviously, that person wasn't very sensible because you put it on Facebook Marketplace, made that be trapped. But yeah, the robots are terrifying, really. Like, imagine like someone could put anything in that and then just turn up at your door.
I don't know.
Like, that's what a thought in your head me saying that. Like, someone would sneak something in that and then it's just turning up.
You mean like in the robots and stuff? I think like they have like a monitor for the robots that would deliver stuff. They would have monitor it out. Even the person that stole it, you're gonna track it anyway.
Yeah, exactly.
All those robots and stuff has tracker in them. But if we're talking about technology, moving ahead in terms of like, you know, the world changing, AI is good in terms of that. If we're talking about like relying on AI to give you mental health support, that's something questionable. That's something that should.
I think even physical health as well.
Yeah, people are also. You know, this is maybe because of my nurse, but surgical nurse. I dislike when my patients tell me, "Oh, I just Googled that." Literally, you put your symptoms on Google. You're gonna you're gonna die tomorrow. You're gonna see a whole set of things.
So it's the big C. When you Google it, you've always got cancer.
That's what it is. applies when it comes to mental well-being.